Welcome to this lesson on advice for new data scientists. We'll explore essential tips to help you navigate your journey in the field of data science effectively. As we discussed in previous lessons, continuous learning is vital in data science. Embrace new resources and follow industry leaders to stay updated with trends and advancements. This quote encapsulates the essence of being a data scientist. Remember, your journey is about exploration and learning, not just completing tasks. Building a strong foundation in statistics and programming is essential for new data scientists. These core skills will support your data analysis and decision-making capabilities. Networking and collaborating with peers can significantly enhance your learning experience. Join data science communities to share knowledge and work on projects together. As we learned in earlier lessons, hands-on experience is invaluable. Work on real data projects and participate in competitions to apply your skills in practical scenarios. This quote encourages proactive learning and innovation. As a data scientist, take charge of your learning journey and shape your future. In conclusion, embrace continuous learning, build foundational skills, and engage with the community. Your journey in data science is just beginning, and there are endless opportunities ahead.